Good morning. This lesson will focus on the first of the five senses, namely sight. Besides the protecting structures, we will also discuss the interior structure. Thirdly, we will talk about how the eye can distinguish colors and gray shades. And finally, we will go over the path an object does to be seen by our eye. A simple eye only detects light or dark. Next to light perception, a human eye also allows color differentiation and perception of depth. The eye is protected with four important structures, namely the eyebrow, which drains sweat and liquids away from the eye, the eyelashes, who protect the eye from dust and dim the light, the eyelid, which covers the eye and spread liquids to avoid and prevent dehydration. The pupil makes it possible to adapt the eye to different light intensities. When we look at the interior structure, on the front side we see the tear gland, which functions as a production site of tear liquid, and tear liquid serves to protect the eye from dehydration and prevent contamination. The tear duct drains away the tear liquid. The eye muscles allow us to move our eye and look at different directions. If we look on another side of the eye, we see the eye muscle here and here, but also the vitreous body. This acts as a dark chamber. The choroid gives nutrition and oxygen to the retina, and the retina detects the light. The optic nerve transmits the signals to the brain. The fovea is the most sensitive part of the retina, and the optic disc or blind spot is the most unsensitive part of the retina. 8 is the lens, 9 the sclera, and 10 the iris. This gives our eye a color. The pupil and the ciliary body. This allows us to reshape the lens and focus on a certain object. And last but not least, the cornea, which covers the eye on the front side. If we take a closer look at the retina, we see it consists of two types of light detecting cells, namely the rods and the cones. The rod-shaped cells allow us to see shades of gray. The cone-shaped cells allow us to see colors. There are three types of cones, namely ones would detect blue, ones would detect green, and ones would detect yellow. Here we see a microscopic image of rods and cones. If one type of cones isn't functioning properly, you are colorblind. Colorblind people are not able to distinguish red and green or blue and green from each other. If the rods aren't functioning properly, you may not be able to see very well at night. We call it night blindness. You can't see shades of gray. A possible cause is a lack of vitamin A. Vitamin A is found in liver and dairy products. So, when we take a closer look at how the eye makes it possible to see object, we see that an object is and the surrounding light is detected by the eye. The pupil regulates the intensity because it serves as a diaphragm. The lens makes it able to focus on a certain object. Next, the image is converted to the retina, and the retina converts the image to a set of electrical signals. These signals are transmitted to the brain to allow vision. Thanks for watching this screencast. I hope I see you later when we talk about the second of the five senses.